Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the image widget, drag it where you want on the page. Once placed, click the image area and choose Upload or Media Library, then pick a properly sized file, about 1,200 x 800 px for full width. Make sure alignment and image size are set, because text positioning depends on these choices. Also check that the image has no excessive compression. After that, switch to Advanced and prepare to add a wrapper. Next, add the overlay and text elements. Use background overlay on the image or place the image inside a column and add a heading widget over it. Once done, choose a color and set opacity, 0. 5 is a good starting point to make text readable. Then adjust typography, size, weight, line height, and letter spacing. Make sure you set z-index so text sits above the image. Also use padding and margin to nudge placement until it looks balanced. Finally, finalize spacing and responsiveness. You should check responsive controls and tweak font size and padding for mobile, tablet, and desktop. If text shifts unexpectedly, make sure z-index is higher than the image and consider absolute positioning with careful offsets, but use this sparingly. Once satisfied, save and preview. If styles aren't applying, clear site cache and regenerate Elementor CSS. If problems persist, inspect Browser Console for conflicts and disable plugins temporarily to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.